Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officer Survey 24/7. My name is Amanjyot and today we are going to discuss the another session regarding your MCQ series of principles and practices of banking. So as we know what we are doing in these series, we are discussing a certain question and all the options. So by practicing MCQ, we are also understanding our concepts regarding the multiple topics. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Before starting with the first question, those candidates who are new to the Officers at 24/7 channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And if you have not downloaded the 24/7 application yet, then do download the application also. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Before starting the first question, let me know, am I audible to all of you? And the PPT is also visible. Are we good to go? Is everything okay now? Okay, yes. So let's start with the first question, that is talking about RBI, Reserve Bank of India. So as we know, RBI is the central bank of our country and it regulates the money market, it regulates the banking system, currency system, financial system of our country. So whenever we talk about RBI, RBI is not just a bank which is regulating the banking of our country. RBI regulates the banking system of our country, RBI regulates the currency system of our country and also the financial system. Now, how are RBI regulating the banking system? By using multiple acts, that is RBI Act, Banking Regulation Act, Payment and Settlement System Act, Negotiable Instrument Act. There are multiple acts with the help of which RBI is regulating the banking system. Apart from that, when RBI is regulating financial system, RBI regulates the money market and RBI formulates the monetary policy to regulate the financial system or to make sure that the financial system is working accordingly. And next, when RBI regulates the currency system, what does this mean? It means simply RBI has the sole right to print all the currencies except rupee 1, and this right has been given under RBI Act 1934 section 22 to RBI. So these are the three major works which is performed by the Reserve Bank of India in our country. So the question is asking that RBI is managed by a board which consists of governor, 4 deputy governor, 4 members from Ministry of Finance and RBI. So what of these is correct? So which of the following is the correct answer when we talk about the Central Board of Reserve Bank of India? Is it first, second, third or fourth? A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct? So we are talking about the Central Board of Reserve Bank of India. Deepak is saying A, okay. Vijaya is saying D, 1, 2nd and 3rd, okay. All are correct. Okay, what about rest? See, when it comes to the Central Board of Reserve Bank of India, RBI has 21 members in Central Board of its. Okay, there are 21 members in the Central Board of Reserve Bank of India. Now, when it comes to the 21 members, out of these 21 members, 1 will be the governor of RBI, 4 will be the deputy governors of RBI, 4 members will come from local boards. There are 4 local boards of RBI, that is Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. Okay, so when we talk about the local boards, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, these are the 4 local boards of RBI, and from each local board, 1 member will be come there under the Central Board of RBI. Now, next 2 members will come from Ministry of Finance, and 10 members will be nominated by Government of India. 10 members will be nominated by Government of India. So these are the 21 members of Central Board of Reserve Bank of India. That 1 governor will be there, 4 deputy governors will be there, 4 members from local boards will be there, 2 members from Ministry of Finance will be there, and last is 10 members will be nominated by Government of India. So which of the following is correct? So right answer will be your first and second only, because there is 1 governor and 4 deputy governor. From Ministry of Finance, there will be only 2 members, not 4 members. Okay, so the right answer will be A, that is 1 and 2 is correct. And Deepak has given the right answer only. So do remember, these are the 21 Central Board of RBI's members. Okay, so Deputy Governor maximum can be 4, not more than 4, and Central Board of Directors of Reserve Bank of India can be maximum 21, not more than 21. Okay, now let's move to the second question, which is talking about treasury bills. Now when we talk about treasury bills, what is treasury bill? It is simple, the security of government of India. What is treasury bill? Treasury bill is the security of government of India. So whenever we talk about the treasury bill or any security of government of India, why government is using that security, why government of India is auctioning the securities, the reason behind it, to gain liquidity from the market, to raise money from the market. As we know, government of India made budget every year in the fiscal policy, and every year government had decided that what revenue or expenses will be done in a financial year. So whenever there is more expense in comparison to revenue, government has to fill this gap of difference between revenue and expenses. And in that situation, whenever government requires the fund, government can issue the government securities for raising fund from the market, from the public. The second option with government of India is that government can take loan from RBI or any international organization also. Okay, so that is the also option with RBI, sorry, with government of India. But when it comes to the to raise the money from the market, what government of India maximum does? RBI sell the securities of government of India. Okay, so RBI is an agent of government of India. That's why all the selling and purchasing of government security will be performed by RBI on behalf of government of India. Okay, so here we are talking about treasury bill, that is T-bills, that is also known as T-bills. So T-bills are issued for maximum maturity of 364 days, 1 year, 3 months, 6 months. What will be the right answer? A, B, C or D? The duration of treasury bills is, Deepak is saying A, Vijaya is saying A, Suman is saying A, Praveen is saying A, Natrajan is saying A, Vijaya is saying 91. Very good. So the right answer is 364 days. There are 3 types of T-bills which is issued by government of India: 91 days, 182 days and 364 days. And these are the maturity periods of treasury bill. These are the maturity periods of treasury bill. Now what is treasury bill? First of all, do remember that treasury bills issued by central government only. There are 3 types of treasury bill: 91, 182, 364. Treasury bill will be used by government of India to raise capital from the market whenever government feels that there is a difference between the revenue and expenses. To fill that gap, government can take loan from the market in a form of government security. So what actually the government security is? Government security is simply your debt instrument which is used by government to raise money from the market. Okay, now next thing is, apart from treasury bills, we have dated government security. Dated government security are divided into 2 parts, that is short dated security and long dated security. Apart from that, we have cash management bill. The cash management bill is only for less than 91 days. Okay, cash management bill is also a security of government of India, but it is used only for less than 91 days. Okay, it is a short term security. Apart from that, national savings certificate, Kisan Vikas Patra, all the bonds, all these are the part of the government security of government of India. Acha, when we talk about the treasury bill is it is performed as a zero coupon bond. Now what does this zero coupon bond means? It means no interest will be paid by government on the treasury bill, but the treasury bills will be auctioned on discount. Okay, let's say on discount on face value. For example, let's say the face value of the treasury bill is 100 rupees, and when I went to the purchase the treasury bill, it was sold to me on discount of 20 rupees. So I have paid 80 rupees to purchase that particular treasury bill, but at the time of maturity, what I will get? I will get 100 rupees in the return. So that discount is actually your income on the treasury bill. So treasury bill is a zero coupon bond, no interest will be paid on the treasury bill, but it will be sold on the discount. Now, if any person wants to invest in treasury bill, the minimum investment limit is 25,000. If you want to invest in treasury bill, minimum investment is 25,000. If you want to invest more than 25,000, then what you can do? You can invest in the multiple of 25,000. Okay, the multiple of 25,000 will be there if you want to invest, or if you want to give money or invest money in the treasury bill more than 25,000, you have to do that in the multiple of 25,000. And every time treasury bills auction will be done by Reserve Bank of India by giving a notice or by giving a press release before some days of treasury bills auction. Okay, so this is the all detail regarding trace table. Now let's move to the third question, that is talking about NPCI. So we all have heard about the NPCI, I think, and if there is someone who has not heard about the NPCI, they definitely has been heard about the UPI or Bharat Bill Payment Service, or they have heard about the National Financial Switch, National Automated Clearing House, Aadhaar Enable Payment System, Aadhaar Enable Bank Account, or IMPS you have heard about. So if you have not heard about NPCI, the services or the products of NPCI definitely you have heard. One example is also that there is CTS. CTS you all have heard about it. You all have worked on that. Okay, so what is CTS? Check truncation system. So all the examples I have given, all these are the services and products which is issued by NPCI. Now what is NPCI? NPCI is an umbrella organization for opening retail payments and settlement system in India. It is an initiative of RBI and Government of India, RBI and Indian Banks Association, RBI and NABARD, only RBI. So which of the following will be right answer? Now when it comes to the NPCI, NPCI stands for National Payment Corporation of India. As you can see, it is an umbrella organization. It performs all the retail payment and settlement system in our country. So we can say that NPCI has a kind of monopoly when it comes to the retail payment and settlement system. That's why RBI has said to eliminate this monopoly of NPCI. RBI introducing new umbrella entities. Okay, RBI is introducing new umbrella entities. Those new umbrella entities will be the competition of NPCI, so that NPCI will not create its own monopoly in the country regarding your retail payment and settlement system. Okay, now what about rest? What is the answer of this question? Who established or initiated the NPCI? Deepak is saying A. Okay, that is RBI and Government of India. What about others? Now one more thing, those candidates who are live in the session, do like the session once. Praveen is also saying A. Okay. What about rest? Okay. So right answer is not A, it is RBI and IBA. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, and Indian Banks Association established the NPCI in the year 2008. Okay, so it is an initiative of RBI and Indian Banks Association, not the Government of India. So right answer will be a B option. Okay, now NPCI's product or services are National Financial Switch. Next, then we have National Automated Clearing House. Then we have Unified Payment Interface. Then we have Bharat Interface for Money. Then we have Bharat Bill Payment System. Okay, after that we have CTS Check Truncation System. We have IMPS Immediate Payment Service. We have Rupee Card. We have Rupee Card. Apart from that, we have Aadhaar Enabled Bank Account or Aadhaar Enabled Payment System, etc. All these are the product or services which is provided by NPCI to perform the retail payment and settlement system in India. And also do remember that the new umbrella entity will be introduced by RBI to stop the monopoly of NPCI in the retail payment system. Okay, now let's move to the next question, that is fourth. Again we are talking about NPCI. So National Payment Corporation of India, an umbrella organization established under the which of the following act? So under which act RBI and Indian Banks Association established or initiated the establishment of NPCI? Is it RBI Act? Is it Banking Regulation Act? Is it Payment and Settlement System Act? Or is it Negotiable Instrument Act? Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? I think it is a very easy to know that under which type of act, under which act RBI has introduced the NPCI. So what will be the right answer? Deepak is saying C. Vijaya is saying C. Very good. That's a very simple question. It is obvious when we are talking about the retail payment settlement system. So what will be the option? Your right answer will be your C, Payment and Settlement System Act 2007. So under the Payment Settlement System Act 2007, RBI and Indian Banks Association established the National Payment Corporation of India in the year 2008. Okay. Now let's go to the last question of this particular session. That is the process of maintenance of account books, discounting of bills and collection of bills on due date is called by a person other than the seller, or we can say client. Okay, so which process is it? Is it securitization? Is it factoring? Is it forfeiting? Is it takeout finance? So which process is it? We have discussed this already. Okay, do not give the wrong answer because I have discussed this already in the YT session. I think you should have know about this. So which of the following will be the correct option? A, B, C or D? So the process of account books, okay, discounting of bills and collection of bills on due date is called by a person other than by the seller. So it is a process of which of the following? Deepak is saying C, Natarajan is saying B, okay. Suman is saying B, okay. So we have discussed factoring and forfeiting, in which I have discussed each and every concept of factoring and forfeiting. If you have not watched that particular video, do watch that video because factoring and forfeiting is a very important chapter for your syllabus, because 2 or 3 questions will be definitely going to ask from this particular topic of your module A. So factoring, forfeiting you have to complete. Okay, now the right answer will be of factoring, because we are talking about here not about the exporter or importer. We have simply written a word, that is seller. So the process of account books, discounting of bills and collection of bills on the due date is called by a person other than the seller. Then it is the process of factoring, in which the factor, it can be bank or financial institution, they are providing the service of giving immediate cash to the seller. Okay, so the right answer will be of factoring, right? So these are the 5 questions. Now let me know out of 5 how many questions answer you have given correct. Now to information for all of you, very important to information is that, first of all, congratulations for all the candidates who have qualified or who have passed JAIIB CAIIB exam in 2022. So we have decided to give you a felicitation ceremony to all the candidates on 23rd of July at Adda 24/7 office in Gurugram. So you are very much welcome here to come and celebrate your success with us and tell us the story that how you have prepared the exam, and also motivate the other candidates who are preparing for the JAIIB and CAIIB that how they can do that with the job pressure or with the job timing, how you can achieve this particular goal. Okay, so you are welcome to the Adda 24/7 office on 23rd of July for the felicitation ceremony, okay, for the candidate who have passed the JAIIB and CAIIB exam in 2022. Apart from that, one information is also there, that in which we are talking about that the seminar is there. A grand banking seminar is there, in which in-depth information or interactive seminar will be conducted by the industry experts on the JAIIB and CAIIB. Okay, and the seminar is also on 23rd of July at 12 p.m. on the same venue, that is at a 24/7 office in Gurugram. So you are all welcome here, because we are going to discuss here about what we are going to discuss, that how your preparation you can change your preparation method to get selected, to know about the JAIIB CAIIB exam, to know about the pattern of the exam, and all the other information which you required to know at the time of preparing for the JAIIB or CAIIB. Okay, so this is the information for all of you. Now if you want to enroll in a paid batch, so these are the 2 batches which are first is already started on the application, and second is going to start from 25th of July. And this English medium batch of 25th of July, you will be able to find that from 25th to 31st of July you will have a introduction sessions, because we know there are certain candidates who have not studied about any of the subject, or they do not know any idea about that particular subject. So to start with explaining the topics, to start with the conceptual understanding, is a kind of tough task for those candidates because they do not know the ABCD of the subjects. Okay, in that situation we have decided to provide you the introduction classes for 2 days of each subject. Now by having these particular classes you will be able to understand the subjects very much very clearly. You will be able to understand what you have to read and what actually JAIIB and CAIIB wants in their exam. So that's why introduction class has been will be there from 25th to 31st, and from 1st August your regular classes will be started in this particular batch, and already a bilingual batch is started from 18th of July. Okay, so to enroll in any of these two batches you can use a code Y496 and you will get 78% discount on that particular code. Okay, now apart from that, as we know, topic wise test will be available in the batch, but apart from that, okay, so apart from that you can go with the test series also, because full length test you should give, because it is important to give the full length test. And why it is important? To know that you are preparing in the right direction or not, or how much score you are getting, okay, what level of preparation you are having, and all this will be known only after giving a mock test. Otherwise you will not be able to understand that how you are performing, how well you are prepared for the exam. Okay, only PPB paid class how to take I will tell you. Just give me 1 minute, Vijaya. So these are the batches, or these are the products which you can enroll for your preparation. And to get the test pack you can use the code Y496S. In the end you have to use S if you are purchasing the test packs, or if you are purchasing the ebooks also. Okay, you have to add S, and if you are purchasing the batches you can use the code simple Y496. Now Mahapacks are also there. These are bilingual Mahapacks and English medium Mahapack for JAIIB, CAIIB and for both. Okay, so as we know, after qualifying JAIIB in the November month, you are going for the CAIIB in the next year 2023 attempt. So this is the Mahapack for your 12 months validity, which you can enroll by the from the application of our 24/7 application by using the same code, that is Y496, and you will get 78% discount on these Mahapacks also. What is the benefit of getting Mahapack? In Mahapack you will be able to find all the running batches of Adda 24/7 application, whether it is regarding your JAIIB, CAIIB or any bank promotion exam. Everything will be given under this particular product. Apart from that, all the ebooks will be available, all the test series will be available. So in the sense, everything of Officers Adda 24/7 is providing, everything will be available in this Mahapacks if you enroll in this Mahapacks. Okay, now how to enroll in any particular product or any particular batch you want? So what you have to do, you have to go to the Adda 24/7 application, or you can go to the website, but I would suggest do download the application and go through the application, because additional 1% discount will be there. Now how to enroll? You have to go to the JAIIB and CAIIB section. After going to the JAIIB CAIIB section, you will find all the upcoming batches or the running batches on Officers Adda. So if you want to enroll in the English medium batch, just go to the November-December English medium batch. After going to this particular tab, you will find all the upcoming batches or the test series will be here regarding your English medium batch. Okay, so if you want to enroll in any particular batch, let's say you want to enroll only in PPB, then you can go with the PPB subject only. If you want to LRB or AFB, then you can individually join that batches, or you can go with the comprehensive batch also. Let's say you want to join the PPB subject only. So what you have to go, just click on the particular batch. You will find the study plan here. From 25th of July this batch is starting, and timing will be your 7 to 8 AM morning. Okay, now how to enroll? You just have to go to the view offer. After going to the view offer, you will find this tab. You can use a code, that is Y496, and apply here. After applying, you will find 77% discount here, and if you purchase the same batch from Adda 24/7 application, 78% discount will be given. So this is how you can enroll in only the PPB paid class, and if you want all the 3 subjects paid class, then you can go with the comprehensive batch, which I have showed you already. So this is the way how you can enroll in any of the batch. By using a code, you will get the 78% discount. Okay, now the another thing is, last but not the least, if you are new to the Officers Adda 24/7 channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And also, if you like the session, do share the session with your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the same exam. Okay, so thank you all for joining the session, and stay safe.